Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the Ipsy unboxing for August, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So I have the August Ipsy box. So this month's theme is Wanderlust, and we have the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So this is what the Glam Bag looks like. I really like the package for this month. It's a really pretty faux leather. It just says Ipsy at the bottom. And on the inside it's green and has the little Ipsy logo there. And the Glam Bag comes with 5 deluxe sample sizes and it's $12 a month. So the first thing we have is Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel. It says helps define facial contours and adds volume to sagging skin. So I'm super excited to try this one out. The second product is this Verso Facial Cleanser. We're excited to try this one out as well. Third product is Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. So I'm excited to try this one as well. Fourth product is this Florence Brow Gel. And it's in clear transparent. And I've been needing a new brow gel, so I'm super excited to try this one out. And the last thing we have is a Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek. And I've been into cream products, so I'm really excited to start using this one. So those are the 5 products that come in this month's Glam Bag. Next up we have the Glam Bag Plus. It comes with 5 full-size products and it's $25 a month. And the value of a Glam Bag Plus is $120 or more. So the first product we have is Murad's Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. This one is valued at $65. Next up we have this Farrah Blender Brush in 25E. And I've already used this one and it blends super easy and effortlessly, so I really like this blender brush. And this one is valued at $11. We also have the Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara, and this is valued at $23. Next item is this Araceli Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo, and this is valued at $25. And I'm really excited for this one because I see this brand all over Instagram, so I'm excited to try out one of their products. And the 2 colors it comes with are Bronze and Olive. And the last product we have is this palette. I'm not too sure how to pronounce the brand name, but it's a blush and highlighter palette. These colors are really beautiful. I love this middle shade, and then the highlighter and the pigmentation on the blushes is really good. And I tried to find this one on the website. I couldn't find the exact one, but their palettes usually range from $40 to $50. These are the 5 products that come in the Glam Bag Plus for August. So in total, the whole value for this month's bag comes out to roughly $174. So that's a pretty good deal for 5 full-size products. And I'd have to say my favorite product is the blush palette. And I did try out all the products for today's look. I do love how everything looks. So that is everything that comes in this month's August Ipsy. Let me know which product was your favorite down below. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!